If you're looking for the best AC recharge kits, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So, let's get started. The number one position is dominated by XtremepowerUS A or C Refrigeration Kit. This is a versatile kit with a simple yet powerful air vacuum pump. It's designed for efficient and quick AC system service, allowing you to save quite some money on mechanics. The process is rather simple, and the kit proves to be of excellent quality. The pump is very convenient for removing excess moisture and preparing the system for a refrigerant refill. Thanks to the internal cooling fan, it works almost silently and you can use it for extended periods. Also, the pump has a rugged outer shell. The die-cast aluminum alloy ensures reliability and durability. Additionally, there's a leak prevention system for safe and easy transportation and storage. The package also includes a Manifold gauge kit you can use for diagnosing, repairing, and refilling AC systems. It's suitable for R12, R22, R134A, and R410A systems. The only thing missing from the kit is the can tap valve that attaches to the hose. You'll have to buy one separately, which is quite an inconvenience considering the price of the kit. Also, some customers complained about the instructions not being clear enough. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Orion MotorTech AC gauge set. DuPont may be one of the most recognizable names on the list, and its products frequently receive rave reviews. This incredibly affordable option comes with 3 12-ounce cans of Freon. The Freon 134A solution is also notable for meeting both the AHRI 700 and SAEJ 2776 purity standards. DuPont's AC Recharge Bundle is often hailed as the best Freon for car AC systems by mechanics. This is not just because of its low price point, but also because it still manages to achieve great results. This solution is a pure refrigerant, meaning it doesn't use any additives. Some chemicals that are used with Freon recharge kits can actually make your AC warmer. Despite being an inexpensive option, DuPont's product still comes with a pressure gauge to let you know how much coolant has been used. Although it's a great option, this AC recharge kit has its drawbacks. Despite having several purity achievements, this product is illegal in California because of their strict emission laws. The kit also doesn't come with a hose to use, so if you do not have one, you'll have to buy it separately. The number 3 position is held by Kozyvacu Auto AC Repair Kit. The Kozyvacu kit includes everything you need to test, repair, and recharge your AC system. There's a pressure gauge set, 3 4-foot hoses, a quick coupler, and a can tap. You'll even get a carry bag for simple transportation and storage. Overall, the kit is very easy to use. All you need to do is to follow the instructions. The package includes a high-quality vacuum pump designed for keeping your AC system in the best conditions. It features a sturdy aluminum housing that can withstand some abuse and last for a while. The pump is simply designed, so no particular maintenance is necessary. Still, most buyers are not satisfied with the quality of the included can tap. It sometimes requires modifications and labeling to work properly, which is why you might end up buying a new one separately. The pump also might get quite warm on extended use and require you to take breaks every once in a while. Next at number 4, we have Robinair RG3 Refrigerant Recovery Machine. Those who are looking for a professional-grade machine will be thrilled with this one from Robinair. It's an efficient device that allows for quick and successful refrigerant recovery. You can use it on all kinds of systems for both home and commercial purposes. The machine is compact and lightweight, so you can take it with you if necessary. Buyers also love how versatile it is. It works with all standard CFC, HFC, and HFC refrigerants, which means you can use it for all kinds of AC systems around the house. What makes the machine even more special is its impressive construction meant to withstand daily and heavy use. The machine has a cross-flow designed for more efficiency. It also has an automatic shut-off switch in case the pressure rises too much, so safety is guaranteed. However, keep in mind that the machine runs slowly and the entire process might take a while. Also, it might not be a perfect option for those who are on a tight budget. This is a high-end machine suitable for professionals, and it proves to be on the expensive side. The number 5 position is held by Mofeez Pro AC Diagnostic Manifold Freon God Set. The Mofeez Pro AC Diagnostic Manifold Freon God Set is a budget-friendly AC diagnostic manifold gauge that includes all the professional-level equipment you need to assess and recharge your AC. Suitable for R134A, R12, and R22, the set includes 3-color 36-inch long service hoses with 0.25-inch flare settings, one 0.25-inch male gauge, one Acme adapter that's 0.25-inch male to 0.5-inch female, and a R134A valve spanner. The set is made of bass, plastic, aluminum, and PVC and functions with 3000 psi burst pressure and 600 psi maximum working pressure. For easy use, the high-pressure hose is red and the low-pressure hose is blue, so there's no chance for confusion. The entire AC recharge kit weighs just 4.14 pounds, which makes it lightweight and easy to carry. Next at number 6, we have Orion MotorTech 3-way AC Diagnostic Manifold God Set. The Orion MotorTech 3-way AC Diagnostic Manifold God Set is a highly versatile and easy-to-use AC recharge kit. It will make the process of Freon charging any auto AC system easier and can be used for R134A, R12, R22, and R502 refrigerants. This set can be used to recharge your AC system or diagnose problems. Whether you are charging, running a diagnostic check, or trying to fix your AC, you'll have all the tools you need. The kit includes 3 5-foot extra-long Freon charging hoses in 3 colors: red for high pressure, blue for low pressure, and yellow for the refrigerant container. A 3-way gauge, 2 adjustable couplers, a can tap, and an Acme adapter are also in the custom carrying case. The hoses, gauges, and couplers can withstand frequent use, and they are easy to understand whether you are an auto pro or a novice home mechanic. Finally, at number 7 with Kozyvacu Mini AC Repair Toolkit. This is another high-quality kit from Kozyvacu. It's a complete refrigerant changing kit that allows you to get the job done in a breeze. Thanks to its compatibility with all kinds of systems including R410A and R502, you can use it for most applications around the house. The kit comes with an air vacuum pump, a manifold gauge kit, a bottle of oil, and the necessary hoses. The pump is of excellent quality and proves to be very efficient. The cast aluminum housing is lightweight and highly portable, yet still very durable. The manifold gauge kit is also quite convenient for measuring the pressure, and it's very easy to use. What can be an issue with this kit are the connectors. Some buyers complained about them not creating an adequate seal. The instructions are not very helpful either. Furthermore, you might find that the kit comes with just enough oil to get through the entire process. That's all for today. We upload automotive product review videos every single day. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and hit the bell button for the upcoming video notifications.